you like it? Shall I take that one for you?
It's like he's at the movies. TV is huge to him.
Look at this, Pig.
And he's mesmerized.
Hi there, Sproutlets. Oh, Star, you look a little sleepy.
Just a little.
Well, it's almost time for you to wash your face and brush your teeth.
He don't pay me no attention to commercials.
Yeah, that does sound okay.
Hey, boo.
Will you help?
Woohoo!
Great. Stay right here.
Only doing commercials.
Yes, right after
Bye
this.
bye.